Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, welcome, and I hope you stick around for more videos similar to this. Guys, today I'm going to speak to you about two of my favorite body oils. So if you're into body oils, you might want to check these two out. I will also include an honorable mention. Is that the right way to say it? Yeah, an honorable mention of it's more of a perfume oil, but I'll talk a little bit more about that. But if you're into body oils or you're thinking about exploring body oils, then this video is for you. So, right off the bat, I have recently, well, I wouldn't say recently, it's been a few months since I've kind of fallen in love with using body oils. It makes the skin so glowing and dewy and smooth and moisturizing. It, in my opinion, it helps to lock the moisture into your skin. So you've put on your body moisturizer, your creams or lotions, whatever it is. And I tend to go in with a body oil that locks everything in and just keeps everything hydrated for a super long time. So one of my favorites is by Alicia Keys. So this is the Keys Soul Care Sacred Body Oil. So this is what it looks like. This is my second bottle, and this one is already all the way down here. So each one of her items, from what I've heard and a few that I've seen, she always tends to put a message at the back of the item. And this one says, "Everything I do is an act of creation." So there is, I don't think you'll be able to see the writing on it, but there it is. Now, I have really been enjoying this particular body oil, and it is quite affordable. Let's take a look at it. So how do I use it? As soon as I get out of the shower, let's say I'm not going to do the whole lotion and then body oil, I might just choose to put on the body oil on its own. So once I get out of the shower, I kind of pat dry my skin, so not fully dry. I leave a little bit of the moisture on my skin, and then I apply this, and I find that it helps to moisturize the skin a lot better. Okay, I don't typically use this during the day. I will use it at night. So I'll put this on and I wake up and I'm still nice and hydrated and moisturized. Okay, so let me show you a little bit about this. I'll put a little bit here, and it really soaks into the skin easily. And it has a really, let's take a look at their website, the Sephora website. Let's see. Which one is this called? This is Keys. I should have probably done this before I came online to look it up for you. And this is the Keys Soul Care. All right, okay. So this is the Sacred Body Oil with marula oil. So if you don't know much about the Alicia Keys line, they are clean. Okay, so there is no scent to it. The only scent that I would say you would get from it is the natural scent of that particular oil. It is fairly, what I would say, is it thick? Let's see. Not really thick, not really thin. It just like right in between. And it has a really light scent. Let's see what Sephora says about it. So actually it has 3 oils in it, but the main oil is the marula oil. So it has marula oils, it has baboba, and jojoba oil. Now, I know for sure jojoba oil is great for moisturizing, so that's a plus in my book. And the jojoba oil helps to balance and condition and hydrate the skin according to the website. And then the other oils might be used for brightening the skin's appearance. And then, you know, just putting that essential fatty acid into your skin. Guys, it is a lovely body oil that if you're ever looking to explore body oils, I think it's a great option to definitely check out. Okay, next on the list, I have one. So in Canada here, I was able to pick this up from Shoppers Drug Mart. I did also see this selling on Amazon as well. And if I find other links, I will include it in the description down below. And this is NUXE Paris. And this is a multi-purpose nurturing oil for your face, your body, and your hair. Talk about being multi-purpose, guys. This is what it looks like. And for this particular one, it comes in like you can get like a glitter one, which I do have as well. I didn't include that in the video. This is the original one, or the Riche one, I should say, which is a little bit thicker than the original, but the scent is the exact same. So this one is, I'll put this on the other arm, on the other hand. And now this one, how I use this one is after I shower, I put on my body lotion and then I top it up with this. It has a nice clean scent. It almost feels like you just came out of a spa. I can't even explain it, guys. It just has such a beautiful scent. You pass by someone and they know that you are, I don't know, it just smells like a bougie grown woman or a bougie young woman or guy. Like anybody could wear this body oil. It is absolutely amazing. And this is quite affordable as well. I think I paid, no, wait. I bought this as a set, so it was a little bit more expensive. I believe it's probably around 30 something Canadian for this one. So you can definitely check it out. I will include a link so you can get a little bit more information in terms of the ingredients and all that stuff. But this is a great option as a body oil. Okay. Honorable mention. So the one that I'm going to talk about, which is the, let's go on the Sephora website. It is the Nest Indian Jasmine. Let's see what it says here. The Indian Jasmine. It's a perfume oil. Does it count as a body oil? Probably not, but I'm still including it here on this video. Now, Nest carries quite a few different body perfume oils. How I use this one here, I put a few drops of this in my body lotion. So I would probably use a non-scented body lotion, and then I would put a few drops of this in there, and then I have my own scent. So this is really nice. This one, it's a little bit on the higher end in my opinion. It retails for, at the time of this recording, 128 Canadian dollar. A little bit does go a long way. I've had this probably for well over a year, and I still have not used a lot of it. I probably used like a quarter of this. So this is really nice. Definitely check it out. So like I mentioned, these are two of my favorite ones. If you're looking for a nice clean product, then you want to check out the Alicia Keys the body oil, and let me remind you, it's the Sacred Body Oil. Okay, if you are looking for a body oil that makes you feel like you just came out of a spa, and smelling good and looking all smooth, and you have that and let me tell you something. The thing about these oils, they aren't overly oily. It is moisturizing at the same time, and you still get a bit of gloss on your skin. I find it looks really great in the summer months when you're doing those elbows and those areas that tend to kind of get a little bit ashy. These oils will work absolutely perfect for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have other body oils that you'd like me to try, please comment it down below, and I will be sure to check those out. But for now, these are the two of the ones that I really enjoy, and the perfume oil I kind of threw in as a bonus to let you know how I use that one. I think that's it, guys. Thank you for tuning in. If you did find value in this video, I would really appreciate it if you hit the thumbs up, subscribe button on this video. It really helps the YouTube algorithm so that it pushes this video out to more people just like yourself. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.